Welcome to Future Pharmacy Technicians, your step-by-step guide to mastering everything about the Pharmacy Technician Diploma in Pakistan. What is a Pharmacy Technician Diploma? A Pharmacy Technician Diploma is a professional program that teaches you how to support pharmacists, manage medicines, and help patients. It opens doors to many opportunities in hospitals, clinics, and the pharmaceutical industry. Eligibility. To enroll, you must have completed matric with science subjects. It's a great next step after 10th grade if you're interested in health sciences. Subjects covered. First year. In the first year of the Pharmacy Technician Diploma, you will study pharmacology, anatomy, physiology, pharmaceutics, biochemistry, microbiology. These subjects lay the foundation for understanding how medicines work and how the human body responds. Subjects covered. Second year. In the second year, you will learn more applied and professional topics, industrial pharmacy and quality control, hospital and community pharmacy, computer skills, advanced pharmacology, social behavior, law and ethics. These courses prepare you for real-life pharmacy settings and professional responsibilities. Top institutes offering the diploma. This diploma is offered by government and private institutes across Pakistan. Choose an institute recognized by the Pharmacy Council for the best career path. Career scope. After completing the diploma, you can work as pharmacy technician, hospital assistant, pharmaceutical industry professional. You can also pursue higher education in the pharmacy field. Exam structure. The diploma is usually 2 years long, with annual exams. Practical training is an essential part to prepare you for the job market. Tips for success. Stay consistent in your studies. Gain hands-on experience. Learn medical terminology. Practice patient care ethics. Stay curious and ask questions. Final message. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Future Pharmacy Technicians for detailed lessons on every topic. Let's walk this journey together, step by step.